All right, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I make a rotisserie chicken salad. It's super easy to make and it's quick. You just need to get a few ingredients from the grocery store. The rest is probably already in your kitchen. Eat it with some crackers or you can put it on bread. However you like it, I'm telling y'all, it's pressure. Let's get into it. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on those push notifications. We got plenty videos to come. Welcome to Real Southern Cooking. So what we're gonna start off with is our celery. You want to chop that up and it adds a great freshness to this chicken salad. And texture as well. It adds great texture to everything that's in this dish. I like to chop mine up extra fine, but you could do it to your liking, whatever you prefer. And as well with everything else in this dish, you do it to your liking. This is just how I like mine. Now we're going to come with our green onion. All you have to do is chop off the root, and then we're going to chop the rest of this green onion and put it to the side with our celery. Again, you could add as much or as little as you want to your preference. If you don't like green onion, keep it out. But so far, we have 2 ribs of celery and about 5 pieces of green onion. Now, traditionally in the South, people like to use sweet relish or dill relish into their chicken salad. I don't like relish in my chicken salad, potato salad, seafood salad, deviled eggs, none of that. So I like to still have a bit of that flavor without having relish in it. So I like to use fresh dill, chop that up, and put that in it. Now, you can use fresh chicken, cook it up, season it, all that. Some people use canned chicken. I don't like canned chicken. So to keep it simple, you could also use a rotisserie chicken. And to keep it more simple, some places sell the rotisserie chicken already chopped up for you. So all you got to do is open a pack and go from there. I got this right at Walmart. It's convenient, it's flavorful, and it saves me a ton of time. I told y'all with this recipe, we try to make it quick and easy. Now, for me personally, I like to chop this up a little bit more fine just so I don't have big, huge pieces of chicken into the chicken salad. So chop it up to your preference. Right here is about good enough for me. Once it's to your liking, we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. Now, to keep with the simple and easy theme, I went ahead and tried out some boiled eggs that were already boiled at Walmart. I never had these before, but I tried it out and it's really not that bad. If you frown upon stuff like this, again, go ahead and boil your own eggs and go from there. Now you want to go ahead and chop it up. You could either use the fork, you could use a potato masher, or even go as far as a pastry cutter. I never used a pastry cutter before, so I wanted to try it out. And it really did not work that well. So I don't recommend using a pastry cutter. I just went to old reliable potato masher, and it works perfectly every time. You're not going to get anything stuck on it, and it's just going to mash it up to the perfect consistency that you need. And if you don't have a potato masher, the next best thing is just a regular old fork. Now, really, all our prep work is done. The hard part is over with. All we really need to do now is add everything together. Now, I like to use Creole mustard because it adds a nice kick along with some yellow mustard. If you don't have Creole mustard, just use both parts yellow mustard and it'll work perfectly fine. Now, you want to come with your favorite brand of mayonnaise. I'm from New Orleans. Our go-to down here is Blue Plate. That's what we use. Whatever you use, add that. Now, in a large bowl, we're going to go ahead and throw in our shredded chicken along with our eggs, our green onion, celery, and of course the dill. And again, if you don't like the dill, go ahead and add the sweet relish. Then come with your mayonnaise, your Creole mustard, your yellow mustard. Now we're going to go ahead and season it. Add in paprika, granulated garlic, onion powder, a little sugar to act as that sweet relish would and counteract that mustard, black pepper, and salt to taste. Remember, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. And you really don't have to add that much salt as the chicken is already seasoned. So go to your preference, taste as you go. We're going to go ahead and mix this up. And then you want to add whatever ingredients you think is lacking. I thought it needed to be a little looser, so I went ahead and threw in a little bit more mayo. This recipe is very forgiving, so you can doctor it up to your liking. Mix it up, and look at this. Yes, Lord. You go ahead and refrigerate this in an airtight container. Eat it with some crackers, eat it on some bread, and just like my name, you're all done. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed and keep coming back for some real Southern cooking.